Good morning, and welcome to another Maker Morning with Miss Alicia and Miss Nikki. It's April.
Yay!
The weather's
Spring.
spring. The weather's getting nice outside. So because of that, we're gonna do a fun Maker Morning that you can do outside. But first, have you grabbed our April Grab and Go kit?
I hope so. If you haven't, you should pause this video and go get a kit so that you can do this activity with us.
And all the other fun things we have planned for the month.
There's some very fun things.
So what are we going to do today, Miss Alicia?
Today, we are making boats.
What? Boats?
Yes.
That's awesome.
We're making boats.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we have here?
All right, so this is another STEAM activity, meaning that it's good to experiment and there's no wrong way or one right way to make it. So today, we have lots of goodies that came in the bag
Yes, there are.
to make boats. We have masts and flags and the boat and the rudder and all of that good stuff. So what do you guys think we're going to be exploring in today's activity? Because, I mean, it doesn't look too hard.
Good question.
Any ideas or guesses, guys? Well, it's going to be about balance, because what if we put all of the weight and the flags up front? Do you think that it's going to sink or float in our bowl of water here? So we're going to explore balance in finding that.
All right, let's
All
do
right,
it.
let's do it. All right.
So, like you said, because it's an experiment. Experiment means that you try something out and see if it works, and if it doesn't, you try something else, right? We're just trying to figure out what is going to be the best way to build this boat. So there's no, what does Bob Ross say? There's no mistakes, just happy accidents.
Yes.
Right? So there's no right or wrong way to
Yep.
do it, and you can do it as many times as you need to before you get the boat that you like and you want and you think is going to float.
And feel free to decorate it. These are nice cardboard, crayons, colored pencils, markers would work.
Very fun.
Yeah, so you can watch us experiment and see if we get it right or wrong. So we attach the rudder. Is that what it's called? The
Yeah,
rudder?
so there was little holes at the
Yes.
top that you had to poke out, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Attach that, and then there's 5 other holes that you can put these wooden sticks in or masts, right?
And I think there's different lengths.
Yeah,
too.
there is. You can experiment. I'm going to see what happens if we put all of the sticks just in the front. Do you guys think that that would float or sink? If we put it all in the front, does that seem like that would be balanced? Well, we'll find out, won't we?
I'm not sure. Need a longer one?
Yeah, if you're going to use the long ones, the long sails, you might want to use the long sticks. And something fun to do is once you get it balanced, you could take it and put it in a sink of water. A water full of
We have a bowl of water
Yes.
here to
This is our
test out
sink.
the boat. And I think you tried it actually on water, right?
Yes, yep, once we got it balanced, we glued everything down and we took it down and we put it on a little leash and we took it down the river. Me and my son floated it, and that was a lot of fun. But I do recommend gluing everything down so we're not polluting the beautiful rivers.
And tying something to the boat
Yes,
so that you can get it
yeah,
back.
yep, like
right?
a leash, yeah. All right, let's
Take your boat
see.
for a walk.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
All right, is it going to sink or float? Hopefully our
I don't
boat
know if
will
I'd
sink.
want to get on that boat.
Okay, so it looks a little top heavy, which means, yeah,
Kind of
that if you were
leaning,
on
right?
it, that you would be
Oh.
sinking to the bottom
Oh.
right now. All right. So, we didn't fail. That was a learning experience.
Right.
So
now
what
try
can we
something
do
else, right?
to make it more balanced? Do you want to give it a go?
I don't know. Okay, so maybe we put one in the back and one big one in the front.
more valence.
Okay, we'll see. Ready?
Yes.
Oh, it's still a little.
It's still a little.
Leaning a little.
Yeah.
It's
Huh.
a little front heavy. Okay, maybe if we take this out.
Oh, okay, that seems more balanced.
There we go.
All right, so make your boat, see if it sinks or floats. You can even take it down a walk on the river.
And send us pictures.
Yes, we want to see your
Decorate your
experiments.
boats and send us pictures. Because, like, one of the fun things about having a boat is naming it.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yes. Ooh, what
So,
should we name this?
Maybe, I don't know.
Willard, maybe?
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
This is our boat, Willard.
This is Willard. Yeah, so decorate your boats, name them, experiment with them, and let us see what you came up with, what worked, what didn't. If you take your boat for a walk or a float down the river, show us.
Yes.
We'd love to see it.
Yep, and get outside and enjoy the weather as it's getting warmer.
Yes.
Beautiful.
And happy spring!
Yes.
And while you're watching this, happy spring break, right?
Yes, yeah, it's spring break this week. So enjoy, have fun, share pictures, and come in and see us because we have some open hours during the week.
All right. Bye.
Bye.